Hey there, future bosses! Welcome to Blueprint to Boss YouTube channel. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and having the freedom to work from anywhere? Well, guess what? That dream can be your reality with a mobile notary business. I know what you might be thinking. A notary? What's that all about? Don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to get excited about. Being a mobile notary is all about convenience and essential services. You'll be the one who helps people notarize important documents, things like loan papers, wills, contracts, and you get to travel to them. Think of yourself as a key player in making important transactions happen smoothly and securely. One of the best things about starting a mobile notary business is the incredible flexibility it offers. You're in control. Set your own hours, work around your family's schedule, or even travel while you work. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the earning potential. As a mobile notary, you'll have the opportunity to set your own rates and watch your income grow. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or aiming to build a full-time business, becoming a mobile notary can empower you to take control of your financial future. I know starting any business can seem daunting, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. With the right guidance and resources, you'll be amazed at how achievable it is to launch your own successful mobile notary business. Throughout this guide, I'll be your biggest cheerleader, walking you through every step of the way. We'll dive deep into the practicalities, from getting certified to marketing your services like a pro, and I'll be sharing insider tips and tricks to help you thrive. So are you ready to unlock a world of flexibility, financial independence, and personal fulfillment? Let's get started. All right, future bosses, before we jump into the exciting world of notarizing and empowering clients, we need to lay a solid foundation for our mobile notary empires. Think of this as the legal and structural backbone that will support your business as it grows and flourishes. Now, I know legal stuff might sound a little intimidating, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. We'll break it down into bite-sized pieces that are easy to digest, unlike that complicated legal jargon. First things first, we'll be talking about choosing a business structure. Don't worry, you won't need a hard hat for this construction project. We'll be focusing on a popular and super smart choice for new businesses, the LLC. So, what's an LLC, you ask? LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, and it's like giving your business its own force field of protection. Think of it as separating your personal assets, your house, car, antiques from your business liabilities. Why is this important? Well, in the unlikely event that your business faces any legal issues, your personal assets are shielded. It's like having a safety net just in case. Setting up an LLC is pretty straightforward. You'll need to register with your state. Each state has its own process, so a quick Google search will guide you. It usually involves some paperwork and a small fee, but hey, consider it an investment in your business's future. Once you've got that LLC rocking and rolling, it's time to get your business officially recognized by the taxman. Don't worry, we'll make it as painless as possible. We're talking about getting an EIN, an employer identification number. It's like a social security number for your business, and it's essential for things like opening a business bank account, filing taxes, and even hiring help down the line. You go, girl boss, speaking of bank accounts, you'll want to open a separate one for your business. This keeps your personal and business finances nice and tidy, making bookkeeping a breeze. Trust me, a happy bookkeeper means a happy entrepreneur. Congratulations, my friend. You've officially laid the foundation for a successful mobile notary business. Give yourself a high five. You deserve it. Now that you've got the legal and structural aspects covered, you can focus on the fun stuff, like becoming a certified notary and spreading the word about your amazing new business. In the next section, we'll dive into the exciting world of certifications and licenses, equipping you with everything you need to become a bona fide mobile notary extraordinaire. Get ready to take notes because things are about to get official, in the best way possible. Okay, now that we've got the business basics covered, let's dive into the heart of what it means to be a mobile notary. You might be picturing a serious-looking person with a stamp, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. As a mobile notary, you'll be playing a crucial role in legal, financial, and personal transactions. Think of yourself as a guardian of authenticity, ensuring that signatures are genuine and documents are valid. It's a pretty powerful position, right? Your clients will rely on your expertise and attention to detail to make sure their important documents are legally sound. You'll be handling things like wills, trusts, contracts, loan documents, and even something as exciting as a marriage license. Talk about being a part of life's big moments. Now you might be wondering, what kind of superpowers do I need to be an awesome mobile notary? Don't worry, you don't need X-ray vision or the ability to fly, although that would be pretty cool. The real superpowers of a successful mobile notary lie in a few key qualities: attention to detail, organization, and a knack for connecting with people. You'll be reviewing documents carefully, managing appointments efficiently, and putting your clients at ease. Don't worry if you're not a natural-born social butterfly. Being friendly, approachable, and genuinely caring about your clients' needs will go a long way in building trust and rapport. One of the most exciting aspects of being a mobile notary is the mobile part. You'll have the flexibility to travel to your clients, whether it's their home, office, a coffee shop, or even a hospital room. That means you get to design your ideal workday, set your own hours, and potentially explore new places while you work. Talk about a breath of fresh air. Of course, being mobile also means having the right gear to keep you organized and efficient. We're talking about a reliable laptop or tablet, a high-quality printer and scanner, a sturdy briefcase or bag to carry your supplies, and of course, your trusty notary stamp and journal. We'll dive deeper into the essential tools and resources in a later section, but for now, start envisioning yourself hitting the road, empowered and ready to make a difference. All right, it's time to get down to business and talk about the official stuff, becoming a certified notary public. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Think of it as getting your official stamp of approval to make things official for others. First things first, you'll need to check your state's specific requirements, as each state has its own set of rules. But generally, you'll need to be at least 18 years old, a legal resident of the state where you plan to work, and have a clean criminal record. No funny business allowed. You'll also likely need to complete a state-approved notary training course and pass a state-administered exam. Don't worry, these courses are designed to be straightforward and equip you with all the knowledge you need to rock your notary role. Now let's talk about protecting ourselves and our businesses, because a smart boss always plans ahead. In most states, you'll need to obtain a notary bond, which is like a safety net for your clients. Think of it like this: if you were to make an error while performing your notary duties, hey, we're all human. The bond would cover any potential financial losses your client might experience. It's all about peace of mind for both you and your clients. In addition to the bond, I highly recommend getting errors and omissions, or E&O insurance. This type of insurance provides even broader coverage, protecting you from lawsuits arising from potential errors or omissions in your work. It's like having a guardian angel watching over your business. Want to take your notary game to the next level and expand your client base? Becoming a certified signing agent is the way to go. This specialized certification will allow you to handle loan document signings, which are in high demand in the real estate industry. To become a certified signing agent, you'll need to complete a training program from an approved organization, like the National Notary Association. These programs will teach you everything you need to know about loan documents, from the different types to the proper signing procedures. While becoming a certified signing agent is optional, it's a fantastic way to specialize your services, attract more clients, and potentially increase your earning potential. Plus, it shows potential clients that you're serious about your notary business and committed to providing top-notch service. Section 4. State-specific requirements, dotting your I's and crossing your T's. Remember how we talked about each state having its own set of rules? Well, it's time to put on our detective hats and do a little research. Head over to your state's Secretary of State website or your state's notary regulating official's website to get the inside scoop on specific requirements. You'll want to find out things like the application process, fees, required training hours, and any other hoops you need to jump through. Don't worry, it's all part of the adventure of becoming a certified girl boss. Once you've gathered all the necessary information, it's time to get organized. Create a checklist of all the steps involved, gather your documents, and set aside some dedicated time to tackle the application process. You got this! Section 5. You're certified and ready to roll. Congratulations, my friend! You've officially navigated the world of certifications and licenses. You're a certified notary public. I'm so proud of you for taking this exciting step. Remember, you're providing a valuable service and creating a fulfilling career. Now, spread the word and start attracting clients. Get ready to dive into marketing next. Get excited, girl boss, because things are about to get really fun. Section 1. Building your brand. From stamp to stardom. Girl bosses, your business is ready. But how do you stand out and attract clients? Build a brand that reflects your personality and professionalism. Your brand is your secret sauce. What makes you different? Infuse your brand into every aspect of your business. Remember, consistency is key. Section 2. Online presence is key. Get your business seen. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Think of it as setting up shop on the internet, where potential clients can find you 24/7. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to create an online haven for your business. Start with a website, your virtual storefront. It doesn't have to be fancy. Keep it clean, user-friendly, and mobile responsive. Highlight your services, service areas, contact information, and maybe even a bit about yourself to build that all-important personal connection. Next up, claim your Google Business Profile. This free tool is a game changer for local businesses. It allows you to manage how your business appears in Google Search and Maps, making it easier for potential clients in your area to find you. Section 3. Networking like a boss. Building relationships that matter. While having a stellar online presence is crucial, don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned networking. Building relationships with other professionals in your community can be a goldmine for referrals and collaborations. Think about it. Who frequently needs notary services? Real estate agents, attorneys, title companies, financial advisors. The list goes on. Reach out, introduce yourself, and offer your services. Attend local networking events, join business groups, and become a familiar face in your community. Remember, networking isn't just about handing out business cards. It's about building genuine relationships, offering value to others, and becoming a trusted resource in your field. Section 4. Marketing magic promotions and special offers. Everyone loves a good deal, right? Offering promotions and special offers can be a fantastic way to attract new clients, boost bookings during slower periods, and reward your loyal clientele. Get creative and think outside the box. Consider offering a discount for first-time clients, bundle deals for multiple notarizations, or referral bonuses for existing clients who recommend your services. Promote your specials on your website, social media, and even through flyers or postcards. Remember, the key to successful promotions is to make them irresistible, easy to understand, and time-sensitive to create a sense of urgency. Get ready to watch those bookings soar. Okay, future bosses, we've talked about building your brand, creating an online presence, and networking like a pro. Now comes the exciting and sometimes nerve-wracking part, finding those amazing clients who will benefit from your notary superpowers. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if those appointments aren't flooding in right away. Consistency and persistence are your best friends on this journey. The good news? There are tons of creative and effective ways to get your name and services out there. We're going to explore a mix of strategies, from partnering with established businesses to becoming a niche magnet for your ideal clients. One of the quickest ways to start getting notary gigs is by partnering with signing services. These companies act as middlemen, connecting notaries, that's you, with clients who need loan documents notarized. Think of signing services as your marketing buddies, helping you tap into a steady stream of potential clients, especially in the real estate industry. While they typically take a percentage of the fee, it's a great way to gain experience, build your portfolio, and get your business off the ground. Don't limit yourself to just signing services, though. Explore partnerships with other businesses that frequently require notary services, such as law firms, banks, adoption agencies, and even assisted living facilities. Remember when we talked about building your brand and defining your unique selling proposition? This is where it comes in handy. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, consider specializing in a specific niche to attract your ideal clients. Think about your passions, skills, and the communities you connect with. Are you fluent in another language? Consider specializing in serving the international community. Do you have a knack for putting people at ease? Focus on providing compassionate notary services for seniors or those in sensitive situations. By narrowing your focus, you can tailor your marketing efforts, build expertise in a specific area, and become the go-to notary for your target market. Section 4. Client relationships, your secret weapon for long-term success. In the world of mobile notary services, building strong client relationships is everything. Word-of-mouth referrals and repeat business are golden nuggets that can catapult your business to success. Always strive to exceed your clients' expectations. Be punctual, professional, and prepared. Communicate clearly, answer questions patiently, and go the extra mile to make the notary process smooth and stress-free for them. After each appointment, don't be afraid to ask for reviews. Positive reviews on your website, Google business profile, and social media pages act as social proof, boosting your credibility and attracting new clients. Remember, happy clients are your biggest cheerleaders. Congratulations! You're ready to make your mark. Wow, can you believe it? We've covered so much ground together. From understanding mobile notary work to building a shining brand, you've gained insights, practical tips, and motivation. Your dream of flexibility and financial freedom is within reach. You've got the knowledge, passion, and drive to make it a reality. It's time to channel your energy into a thriving mobile notary business. You're not just stamping documents, you're empowering people. You're becoming a pillar of trust in your community. Embrace the journey, stay consistent, and never stop growing. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and hustle. There will be challenges, moments of doubt, and maybe even a few spilled cups of coffee. But you're stronger than you think and capable of achieving anything. Success isn't a destination, it's a journey. Embrace the ups and downs, celebrate small victories, and ask for help. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Stay consistent. Building a business takes time, so don't get discouraged. Keep showing up, marketing, and nurturing client relationships. Section 3. Here's to a future filled with empowerment, flexibility, and success. As you embark on this exciting new chapter, remember why you started in the first place. Was it the allure of setting your own hours and being present for your family? Embrace the flexibility, the connections you'll make, and the satisfaction of building a business that reflects your values and passions. Cheers to a future filled with empowerment, flexibility, and success. You've totally got this. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share with someone you also think this video might interest.